What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard, and we know we've been looking for the ultimate device to replace the greatest invention ever made, the notepad and pencil. The notepad and pencil ain't nothing better than taking notes on a regular notepad. Yes, the iPad can do it. Yes, there's plenty of tablets that can do it, but it never comes close to the actual feel of writing down notes on a regular notepad with pen and paper or pencil and paper or anything of that sort until today, I think. Let's take a look at iFly Tech AI Note Air 2. Now, it doesn't have the 2 here, but it has the 2 here on the back, and see what we get inside. Bam. Friendly reminders. Basically, take care of your tablet. It's like a tablet form, but without further ado, look at this bad boy right here. Very nice and thin, very nice constructed, high precision 4+1 premium sound microphone system. I guess this is where you align the pen to align the horizontal line on the pen with the horizontal line on the right side of the body for the best magnetic attract on effect. I guess this is where it magnetically charges, basically. Magnetic electronic pen. This is a dynamic bar is what they got on the bottom. Feels like a very old school iPad. Constructed very nice, rounded edges, very nice and thin, as you can see, very lightweight. The feels very sturdy and nice in hand. You do have a camera system back here, but this is not to take pictures. Is basically, as you can see, doc scan to scan documents, which is absolutely crazy that this thing does that. But there you have that inside. As well, we are going to get the quick instructions and a charging cable, which is a USB to Type C, which is good to see. Where is the, I didn't see, oh, right there, Type C charging port. I believe these are mics or speakers here on the side, and that is all we got. Power button right there on top, and we have the pen, the magnetic pen. That's what they are calling it. Go ahead and pop this. Very light pen, plasticky. So this little plastic thing right here, I guess this is like an eraser. So when you flip it around, it'll erase whatever you're writing on. Let's go ahead and remove this. Go ahead and remove this, and here's the construction of the, you got a little bit of branding there, iFly Tech, a button. It's plasticky. This is plasticky, but it's well built, and the tablet is extremely well built. So let's go ahead and power this bad boy on so we can take a look and see how this feels. So it is powered on. I'm gonna go ahead and remove, I don't know what that is, this screen protector here. Let's align this first. So what are they trying to, oh, there you go. And it is magnetically charged, I guess, and it attaches very well, very strong magnetic. Let's go ahead and remove this. As you can see, very nice visible screen there. It looks matte, and it's just, is this touchscreen? I think it is. Oh, it is. North America, United States. Let's use a pen. Oh no. Continue. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it up to my my Wi-Fi. Let me set up my Wi-Fi on here. Use the electronic pen to sign the area below. Oh yeah, did you guys see that? Bam, confirm. You did it. You can now go to the official website to download matching applications for a full experience. So if you want to download applications for your phone, I believe you can go ahead and scan that QR code. Let's take a look at that and fly over to the website here and then download the app, which I couldn't download it. It's actually for your computer. So you can download the app for the computer. I'm pretty sure it says for your it's not finding it, so I don't know. I'll have to take a better look at that, but let's go ahead and start this as it's quick. Can you guys see this pretty good? Yeah, you can. This thing looks absolutely amazing. And you can write, you got a schedule, you can set your schedule, calendar, to-do list, focus, what you want to focus on, a weekly. I actually like this than having it on your phone because you can actually jot down notes, and this is just like your planner. As far as I can see, you could sync it to your phone, so it's synced with it. But I just couldn't download the app right now. I have to take a look at what that app is. And then so you have your notes right here, all your notes, your schedule, your readings. What else do we have right here? The user manual. Tell me you can do email. Yeah, you can do email on here, Gmail. So you can link your Gmail on there or other mailboxes, which is pretty cool. What are these? The App Store. Applications, photo, WPS Office, more apps. You can get the Kindle. You can get the Kindle app or the Kobo Books app. So if you have a Kindle, this is just like a Kindle, and you can read, which is pretty cool that it has the Kindle app. The settings buttons here, so you can adjust your settings or what you want. Bluetooth, other connections, screencast. You can cast. Bluetooth on, Wi-Fi, general, brightness, wallpaper, and signature. Basically signature settings, schedule, component, display. You do have plenty of settings in here, and that is my signature right there. I can modify my signature if I want. Go back, but let's go ahead and jot down, and we're here to see how this is gonna. So you can record too, which is weird. I want to try that too. So you get a nice little notepad, you get the title of it. So I love this for those who are content creators. You can jot down your video notes or anything on this and not have to worry about it being on an iPad and being bombarded with just distractions, notifications, text messages, and all that. This thing right here is just dedicated for your notes. You can jot it down, put it away, and not even mess with it. But you can just video notes, and it feels almost good, almost like it doesn't quite feel exactly like pen and paper, but it does feel good. So just put video notes, and I can put shoot A-roll, shoot B-roll, make myself look prettier. And if I want to erase, you can select like that. AI search. I need to verify that actually, but you can select. Oh no, you gotta hold the pen, select it. I can move this around, as you can see, which is pretty cool. Little laggy, but it does its thing. Or you can select it, clear it, AI search, or join to-do list, cancel. Or if I want to undo, see? And if I want to restore it, undo it, boom, undo, bam, and we're good to go. Now, what does this record? I want to see where the record was. What is this? Smart pen feature. Oh, that's just a smart pen feature. Click down if I want to use a pencil. Now it says I can erase. You see that? You flip the pen around, press down lightly, and I can just erase all this. Actually, it feels really good writing. That I give it to them. Let's go ahead and save it. I think it needs to get a little, I don't know if it's because right out of the box feels a little sluggish, but I think it's gonna get better. Record. So can I record, or what is this doing? So connecting to English mode. Oh, so it's actually listening to what I'm saying and then it's transcribing everything that I'm saying, and it's gonna put it down on the note. So if I don't even feel like writing, this is like a note-taking app using your voice basically, which it is a absolutely amazing feature. As you can see, while I'm talking, it's actually recording and writing down exactly what I'm saying. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel because of this feature. Bam. Pause it, and I have everything that I just said on here, and I can play it back. Oh, so it's actually listening to what I'm saying, transcribing everything that I'm saying, which is pretty cool. And then I can edit what I want or anything like that. Man, this thing is just full of features right here. Absolutely fantastic. That was just a brief and initial first impressions of what this tablet can do. Like I said, you can do schedules, you can put your email on here, you can put books on here like the Kindle app and stuff like that, which is absolutely fantastic. You do have multitasking, you can delete all the apps. Boom. I do think there's an update, but I'm trying to figure out how to update this bad boy. Check here. And then I'm trying to download the app for my phone or my computer. But there you have it, guys. This is iFly Tech AI Notes Air 2. I'm blown away, actually. I kind of like taking more. It actually feels better writing with this than it does on the iPad. I don't know why. It's just like it's not quite pen and paper, but it's getting very, very close. If you have any questions regarding this bad boy, let me know down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. The link to this product will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself. Strongly recommended. Absolutely amazing. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.